We have been working so hard to make this party special for Rory. She has a giant bouncy house outside. We have a reptile show coming. So lucky. Big number 5, we gotta go big. Rory, what do you think of your cake?
It looks pretty.
It's awesome, huh? Do you love it?
Yeah.
We got to show. Well, we're gonna give the official birthday tour, but not yet. I want to ask Rory, how does it feel to be 5, Ro?
Good.
Good?
His little hair.
Uh-oh, should we show him the cake now or later? Should we leave it a surprise?
No.
How about a quick sneak peek?
Yeah.
Ready, set, woo! That's all they get to see. Comment down below if you saw what it was. First party fail, you guys. My bag ripped open. Pickle juice leaked all over me. Now I smell like a big giant pickle. You smell the pickles? You want one?
Yeah.
See, tell the SmellyBelly's. We really do love our pickles here, don't we? We have been working so hard to make this party special for Rory. She has a giant bouncy house outside. We have a reptile show coming. So lucky. Big number 5, we gotta go big. This is one of our favorite places to get sandwiches. Firehouse Subs, not a sponsor of today's party, but they're really tasty. Oh no, we almost had another fail. Okay, grab the one you want, Rory. Which one looks good?
All right, guys, the party is about to get started. Guys, what do you think is in these crates?
I don't know. I know what I think bearded dragon. It's snake.
Well, it just popped its head out right here. We have these mystery cases in the house, and yeah, something just popped its head out of this case over here.
Are you sure this is safe?
Is there somebody in there? Oh my gosh, did you guys see it move? Oh my goodness.
God, I saw something right there. Is it an alligator?
Do you guys feel like you're in danger at all?
Pasquale!
Are we safe?
I don't know. He's lifting it.
No, that wasn't Pasquale. Pasquale, get away from there. Things have started to come out of the crates. Look at this. We got a little baby tortoise. He's not too scary. Rory, what do you think? Where are you, Rory? What do you think about that baby tortoise? You like him?
He looks cute.
Yeah? Is this like so far the best birthday ever?
Yeah.
Okay, but what if there's like a real snake that she's gonna show us? Are you gonna be scared of that?
Yeah.
You want one, don't you?
No. I just wanted to hold him. Look, he knows the SmellyBelly's.
He's a bellion.
He's talking to you guys. Like,
Oh, we need her.
yo, she just said eat your pickles,
This
kids.
one's not for sale though, unfortunately. We'll have to go to the store and look for one.
Very, very, what do you call it, docile? Or?
Oh, she likes you.
Her name is Peaches.
Peaches is so cute as ever.
Wait, I want to hold it. It's so cute.
Babe, I'm getting a little nervous. She
There's
just
some big
said
stuff.
big stuff.
Big stuff coming up next.
Big stuff. All right, guys, hit the like button if you like big stuff.
You know, the dinosaurs that frill out behind that? So this is a frill dragon. He does the same thing, but does not spit acid. So
Oh, wow, look at that. Rory's favorite animal in Jurassic Park, her favorite dinosaur, is the one that does this with his head.
It looks like a lizard.
girl, give me that.
Oh, yeah. You're all about that, huh?
Keep the chair right there, okay, Grammy?
You guys, Ada is living her best life right now.
Ada, are you living your
She's
best
living her
life?
best life.
Would you let that one sleep with you?
Oh yeah. Do you guys hear this? There's something in here. Listen. It wants out. I know that much.
The suspense is killing me.
I know.
No peeking.
I saw it. Well, it almost popped out of the thing and I just got to peek.
She is the largest type of skink in the world. If you look at the scales on her back, what does she look like?
A snake.
Looks like a snake, and she's got these short little legs, so she sits real low to the ground. So she's disguised as a snake to birds overhead that might want to eat her.
Ready? Oh. 5.
How would you like a kiss from her?
Try one. You want one?
I don't think she wants me.
All right, Rory, it's the really big one now. Here, you come up front so everybody can see you. Turn around. Oh. Are you gonna hold that one? Yeah. Yeah? Ooh.
this is a bigger version of that baby boa that you saw earlier. And this is not even full grown. Not even close to full grown yet, are you, baby?
All right, we're gonna find out what's been in there. Oh my goodness,
You
we're so
ready?
excited.
Okay.
I'm ready.
How do I want to do this?
Oh my gosh.
Oh wow, that is so cool.
What do you think, Rob?
It looks big.
It's big. You want a better? Here you go.
Take a better.
Oh wow,
Oh
that
my
is so cool.
goodness.
So I guess we can.
Oh my goodness.
Just on the back.
This is the biggest lizard that's ever been in our house.
Ew.
This is crazy. Oh my goodness. I think we have a real life dinosaur in our house. Come on, Mama. Come on. Come on. She can just look at us. The water monitor. She left a little skin behind for a memory. Roro, the next one that's coming out is a furry one. You excited? Yeah. Look at this.
My favorite animal ever. Teeny.
Are you gonna put the candle on?
Oh, yeah.
Alright guys, that was supposed to be a cool transition, but we messed up.
We failed. I feel like I'm ruining the cake by putting this ugly candle in the middle of it.
Yeah, I think you are.
Yeah, let's take it out.
Yeah. Oh,
That's
no,
better.
No, it looks really bad. If you guys are ever at a birthday party, or if you ever have been to a birthday party, which I'm sure all of you have been, if you're watching this, you've probably had your own birthday parties. Hit the like button if you've had a birthday. Okay, anyways, it gets really loud at birthday parties, so you guys are just gonna have to deal with us.
Hit the like if you had a birthday.
Hit-
Oh, I never had one.
They're making fun of me. All right, guys, it's all about Rory. Here we go. What did you wish for? Can you tell us?
I wish for
To solve world hunger?
a lollipop.
Oh my gosh, honey, be careful. Don't ruin the unicorn cake.
Well, we're gonna eat it. Oh, look at those skills.
She got it. She got it. Everything's okay.
I want this. I want this.
I'm separating.
You want the whole thing? I think you guys have had too much going on. We need a quick commercial break. Here you go.
Are you tired of walking?
Well, I got a solution for you.
Unicorn 5000.
Get off my unicorn.
And we're back, and now we're back to the action. I'm not wearing a hat, guys. This is weird for me. And I have no product in my hair, so I look a little different than usual. But I'm just gonna roll with it today, okay? We're rolling with things. Look at her. Rory, say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Yeah. You wanna show me your bounce house? All right, go show them. Show them. Come on, we're gonna follow you.
Look that way.
All right, look this way. All right, now you gotta show them the tour. I heard that you convinced Mom to go in with you. Oh, here comes the mama.
I thought it was gonna catch me. Okay, ready? Here we go. I am not cut out for this, you guys. This slide is super steep. Let me show you. Like, it's not very tall, but it's so steep. Okay, here we go. Ah! Oh, God.
Hello. It's nice to meet you. Now I have to eat you. All right, guys, apparently there's a secret password here.
I don't know what the password is.
She tells Rory the secret password.
I don't know what it is.
I think it's move, get out of my way.
We're going.
How about that? Move, get out of my way. Can you be quiet, please? You're too loud. Sometimes machines can just be so annoying. They're so loud. Why? Why do we have to make them so loud? Why can't they just be quiet machines that run quietly? Ah! There's somebody who wants to go in the bounce house, and I'm not sure whether I should say yes or not. I need you guys to help me out. Should I say yes to this or not? Okay? I think I should say no because I think he's a little too big to go on the bounce house. But maybe I should say yes. I mean, he's really friendly, but he's kind of big and he's kind of greedy. He's a little greedy when it comes to food. All right. What do you guys think? Pork chop, you want to go? Should I allow this to happen, pork chop? Huh? What do you think? You want to go? What do you think, babe? Should I let pork chop go?
No.
No?
Yeah.
He's eating all the chicken food.
I know. Ah!
Pork chop, get out of the chicken food. Porky,
He's wrecking the coop.
Porky, you're wrecking things. Porky, get out of here. All right, if you guys can name all these chickens, you have to go back to where we bought our chickens. But if you can name them all, you guys are awesome. There's a lot of chickens to name. They've grown up a lot. But here are all the chickens. Okay. That's all the chickens. Yeah, and do you guys know the names of the bunnies? I want you guys to comment down below if you like seeing some of the real life vlogs that we do, where we're just having fun as parents and a family. And we're just celebrating.
We haven't been doing this much lately, but we just wanted to today for a memory. It was a special moment.
Yeah.
Rory's 5th birthday. And it did get a little crazy and loud, but you know what? That's okay. We had fun. So it's all good.
Yeah, so comment down below if you guys like seeing some of these real life vlogs. Comment that down below. Even, you know, comment it up above.
Or left or right.
Left, right,
wherever.
on the side.
Oh, I got me some Betty.
Oh, you got Betty?
She is the hard one to catch.
Betty! Oh.
What? What, Betty? You gonna lay some good
Betty's
eggs?
genetically modified.
Betty.
Look at that beard. No chickens have beards like that.
She's the only one with a beard.
Genetically modified. I'm gonna show you guys my favorite. I really love the Rhode Island Reds. Bro, wait, let me.
I want to get them. Here, I'll get one.
Okay, all right, you get him. Rory's got her. Okay, look how sweet.
They're super sweet.
They're not so sweet when they poop on you though. That's not so sweet. When they lay that little turd. Oh my gosh, look out, Pasquale's coming in for the action. Here he comes. He's pouncing on everything. He's thinking about playing with one of these chickens. For real though, like Pasquale does love to play with the chickens. I gotta keep him away from the chickens. It's not good for business. I don't know what to do with my hand and I don't know what to do with my hair. All right guys, it's time to shut this party down for a little bit. We're gonna unplug this bounce house. Rory's doing a quick run through to make sure that nobody's on there. Because when I shut this bad boy down, it's down for the night. Also, comment down below if you guys want us to do a 24-hour overnight in our bounce house video. Because we'll do it. Why are you still following me?
All right, come on down, girlfriend. Where you at? Rory! I found you! We're deflating it. Oh no, say night-night dino. No.
No, stop.
Kick him in the face!
Stop, he's a nice one.
He's a nice dinosaur? Alright, I won't kick him in the face again.
You giving him love? Yeah.
Alright guys, it's time to say goodbye to the bounce house. She's collapsing. Goodbye! Guys, there's gonna be something very suspenseful coming up in the video, so make sure you stay tuned to the whole video.
It's gonna be me taking a nap. Are you okay?
Oh God!
Are you okay?
Oh,
Babe, oh my goodness, I'm gonna get lost in here.
Oh,
I
man.
can't help you, I'm sorry. Bye.
oh baby.
Bye.
Birthday parties are rough!
I'll see you later.
Birthday parties are
The
rough.
mosquitoes, I can't take it anymore. Bye.
Baby, I'm actually hurt.
Bye.
I'm legit hurt.
So these mosquitoes are real out here. If he can figure that out, I'm going inside. I'm no longer gonna be getting mosquito bites. Oh my goodness, I've been tortured this whole time. I suspect there was a little piggy out here who got to a juice box and an empty
Babe.
juice box. What? I have a
Babe.
mystery to solve here. I have a mystery to solve.
Babe, I think I actually like legit need to go to the hospital.
Oh, you're fine. Stop being so dramatic.
No, I like.
You landed on a soft inflatable.
Babe, this act like this. Every YouTuber. Oh,
I'm so hurt.
wait.
Crisis.
Oh my pinky! It's broken, so my leg hurts now.
We're done with this.
All right, guys, we had so much fun with you today. No matter what we're doing, we always have fun with y'all. And make sure you remember to do one thing. Put in the comments below, happy 5th birthday, Rory. And if you guys are having a birthday, then put in the comments below how old you are turning today. Remember to do one thing, kids. Eat your pickles, kids!